Hello guys, in this video I will show how to link PayPal to GCash first. Open the GCash app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Next, tap Profile at the bottom of the screen, then select My Linked Accounts. From the list, choose PayPal and tap Link Account. Tap Continue to proceed, then log into your PayPal account by entering your email or mobile number and password, and tap Login. On the next screen, tap Continue. Enter the 6-digit verification code sent to your PayPal-linked email or mobile number, then tap Continue again. Scroll down, tap Agree and Connect, and finally tap OK to confirm. That's it. Your PayPal account is now successfully linked to GCash, and you can start sending or receiving money between the two accounts. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.